Welcome to Shimla, the Queen of Hills, a place where time slows down, the air feels lighter, and every view looks like it's painted by nature. Driving up the roads, the city slowly reveals itself. The fresh Himalayan air that instantly resets your soul. The city slowly reveals itself. Colorful houses tucked into the mountains. The hotel and the luxury looks like it's painted by the nature. One of the best things about Shimla is escaping into the forest. The sound of your footsteps and touch of cold breeze. Shimla may be known for its hustle on the mall road, but even in the middle of the buzz, there are moments where you look around and everything just feels peaceful. The ridge stands wide and open, offering a 180-degree view of majestic Himalayas. A slow, dreamy ride that makes you feel like you have stepped into a postcard. Every tunnel turn gives you a fresh glimpse of the mountain. When the clouds descend, Shimla turns magical. The whole town wraps itself in mist, as if nature is telling you to pause, breathe, and just exist in the moment. Shimla isn't just a destination, it's a feeling, a reminder that sometimes all you need is a little fresh mountains. When winter arrives, Shimla transforms into a white wonderland. Soft snowfall blankets the hills, turning every corner into a postcard. And if you love adventure, skiing on these snowy slopes is the perfect blend of thrill and magic. It's all you need after hectic office hours. Oh, look at those wild poses. At night, the mall road just gives you a city vibe. These are the some hyperlapse I have made during my Shimla trip. That is it. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. We will come soon with a new vlog.